Okay friends, now we can learn about the unit cell. Today's we learn about the what is the unit cell and type of unit cell. First, what is the unit cell? Unit cell is the smallest part of space lattice of a crystal that specify the crystal completely is called unit cell. मीन्स स्मॉलेस्ट ऐसा जो पार्ट है क्रिस्टल का जो पूरे एंटायर क्रिस्टल को रिप्रेजेंट करता हो उसको कहा जाता है यूनिट सेल. सो हियर वी हैव अ डायग्राम. इन द डायग्राम देयर इज अ वन स्क्वायर. इट इज द वन यूनिट सेल एंड it is attached with more unit cell become total a crystal, whole crystal. This type of structure is present. Sorry. Okay. Crystal. Now see this diagram. It is a total structure of crystal and each point is called lattice point. Each point is called lattice point and which is represent a smallest part is represented overall crystal. It's called unit cell. Here it is the unit cell, the one part of crystal. There is a different type of unit cell. Mostly two type of unit cell are present in atmosphere: primitive unit cell and center unit cell. First of in primitive unit cell we can also call it simple unit cell, and in center unit cell it's three type of center unit cell: body center, face center and end center. There are different type of unit cell. First primitive and second one is center unit cell. But in center unit cell there are three type of unit cell: body center, face center and end center. So now we can discuss about the unit cell. First we can discuss a primitive unit cell. Primitive unit cell, it means in this type of unit cell constituent particles are present only on the corners of the unit cell. See, when constituent particles are present only on the corner position of a unit cell, it is called primitive unit cell. कॉर्नर्स के ऊपर ही वो अरेंज रहते हैं, बराबर, जितने भी एटम. हाँ, कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल, इट मीन्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल का मतलब क्या होगा? कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल, इट मीन्स देयर आर नंबर ऑफ एटम्स, आयंस एंड मॉलिक्यूल्स. कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल, इट मीन्स एटम्स, आयंस और मॉलिक्यूल्स. ओके. सेकेंड वी कैन लर्न अबाउट द सेंटर यूनिट सेल. Center unit cell, when a unit cell contain one or more constituent particles present at position other than corners in addition to the those at corners, it calls center unit cell. It means वो corners के ऊपर तो arrange रहते ही है, साथ में कॉर्नर्स के अलावा भी दूसरे सेंटर के ऊपर वो अरेंजमेंट में रहते हैं. तो वो कौन कौन सी पोजीशन रहती है, जिसमें हमने थ्री टाइप्स देखी: बॉडी सेंटर, फेस सेंटर एंड एंड सेंटर. फर्स्ट वी कैन सी द बॉडी सेंटर यूनिट सेल. सच यूनिट सेल contains one constituent particles. Constituent particle, it means atom, molecules or ions at its body center besides the ones that are at its corner. मीन्स कॉर्नर के ऊपर तो वो रहता ही है, साथ में कहाँ पे रहता है? तो कि बॉडी के सेंटर के अंदर भी रहता है। यहाँ पे आपको मैं डायग्राम में यहाँ पे बताता हूँ, ध्यान से देखो कि कॉर्नर्स के ऊपर तो वो है ही, देयर आर टोटल 8 कॉर्नर्स। कॉर्नर्स के ऊपर तो है ही, साथ में कॉर्नर्स के अलावा जो वो कहाँ पे है, तो कि बॉडी के सेंटर में, जो यूनिट सेल है उसके सेंटर में भी वो एक एटम्स रहता है, तो उसको हम कहते हैं बॉडी सेंटर यूनिट सेल। बॉडी सेंटर यूनिट सेल को हम दूसरे वर्ड में कह सकते हैं शॉर्ट फॉर्म में BCC। BCC उसको कहा जाता है बॉडी सेंटर, बॉडी सेंटर क्यूब, body center cube. Now next, face center unit cell. Same as face center unit cell, such unit cell contains one constituent particles present at the center of each face besides the ones that are its कॉर्नर। बराबर, वो कॉर्नर के ऊपर तो रहता ही है, साथ में वो कहाँ पे रहेगा, तो कि फेस के सेंटर में भी वो अरेंजमेंट में रहता है। हियर देयर आर प्रेजेंट इट 8 कॉर्नर्स इन ग्रीन कलर, okay, and in blue color it is the face center, face center. There is a total 6 face. Okay, now next end center unit, okay sorry, फेस सेंटर यूनिट सेल को शॉर्ट में कहा जाता है FCC। FCC फेस सेंटर क्यूब, and in atmosphere there are mostly FCC type of arrangement are present. Mostly solid are arranged like FCC face center unit cell type of arrangement. Next, end center unit cell. In such unit cell, one constituent particles is present at the center of any two opposite face besides the ones present at its corners. It means constituent particle present at corners as well as it present at two opposite faces. Okay, see here I can highlight the atoms which is present at corners. Same, there are 8 corners. Okay, and opposite also it is present in two opposite side, which is present in green color. Okay, we can also call ECC. ECC it means end center cube. End center cube. Okay, there are 7 type of primitive unit cell. In our syllabus there are total 7 type of primitive cell, which is have different type of angle, different type of edge length, there are different type of crystal arrangement. Okay, so now we can discuss about the main characteristic, otherwise main parameters of unit cell. There are total 6 parameters. So first we can learn about what is the parameters of unit cell. First of all, its dimension along 3 edges three edges A, B, C, these edges may or may not be mutually perpendicular. And second one is angles between the edges, angle between the edges alpha between B and C, beta between A and C, and gamma between A and B. This unit cell is characteristic by 6 parameters. There are total 6 parameters. So in this diagram I am also draw second diagram. Okay, see in this diagram, this is the edge. There are 3 different type of edges. If I said this edge is A, this edge is A, this is the B, and this C, therefore the angle of opposite of A is alpha. Angle opposite of edge A is alpha. Angle beta is opposite of edge B, opposite of B, angle beta. And angle C is opposite of edge C, gamma, sorry. Okay, I hope you can understand. This is the main character, otherwise parameter of unit cell. Total 6 parameters, 3 edges A, B and C, and 3 angles alpha, beta and gamma. If value of A, B, C are changed, then type of arrangement is also changed. If angles are changed, then type of arrangement, otherwise geometry of crystal is also changed. And there are total 14 type of lattice arrangement. There are 14 type of lattice arrangement, and we can call it Bravais lattice. Okay. Here the name of the some crystals: cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, hexagonal, rhombohedral or trigonal, monoclinic and triclinic. See this diagram, there is a edge length are different type of edge length. Different type of edge length are present. If edge length change, then also crystal system change. If angle are change, there also change in crystal type. So see the first and second, their angle are same type of angle, alpha, beta and gamma 90 degree, alpha, beta and gamma 90 degree, but edge length are different. So their type are different, cubic and tetragonal. Okay, other is same angle are same, third one is angle are same, but edge length are different, so type is orthorhombic.